मेरा नाम बुबू है.
मेरा नाम बुबू है. Fawad Khan, the hottest guy. Like, I mean, but
You know Fawad Khan also.
apart from that, Imran Khan.
Imran, you.
Cricket.
Oh my God.
Actually, I love Pakistani songs more. Like a Coke Studio student.
Oh, you know Coke Studio also?
Yeah, I love it. Tera Wa Pyar, I guess. I was like the one that pops up in my mind.
God.
And
That's
Atif Aslam Khan. The first person who was actually really teaching me about Islam was a Pakistani person. He's a very close friend of mine, and
Have you tried Pakistani food?
amazing. I love like chicken karai and I love biryani. Chicken biryani is like the most amazing thing actually. I'm like very picky with food, but you're like I love your food.
So guys, like if you're watching this video, so Bubu के लिए do give a thumbs up. तो वीडियो को लाइक करो definitely. Bubu like say like love messages for Bubu her because yeah she loves Pakistan so much and she wants to go to Pakistan. Do you know what's the capital of Pakistan?
Islamabad.
Any other city in Pakistan?
Lahore, Karachi. I know about Gilgit Baltistan. I know like the northern Kashmir also is there. I really want to go to Islamabad, but the first thing I want to go to northern area. Like I want to visit Kashmir.
Overall, mashallah, she is very beautiful. So Bubu, would you ever like to date a Pakistani guy or not?
If a person is good. Yeah,
So if a Pakistani person is good?
but the thing that I want to really send to the use of like all Pakistan and like all these like brown area guys like, and like black area, why you try like please, you're so beautiful, your skin is so beautiful, like everyone comes and say like, oh, you're so white and they like my skin, but I love brown skin, it's so beautiful. And all the women that I see, like why they like use this whitening creams or like bleaching whatever, guys, you're so beautiful, I swear. Like,
So
मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.
मेरे चैनल को मेरे चैनल को you know. Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I am here with one of my very beautiful friend all the way from Kyrgyzstan. Her name is Bubu.
Yeah, hi, I'm Bubu. I'm from Kyrgyzstan, and I'm very close friend of Majid, but we meet once in 4 years.
But yeah, really, like I've been meeting her for after like almost 3 or 4 years, but it feels so good and it feels like we have been meeting like every day and all that
Exactly.
stuff. First of all, let's hear from Bubu in Kyrgyzstan language.
Kyrgyz language? Okay. Salamat salam. Mein adım Bubu. Okay, that's it. I just said Salamatsız bu.
Salamatsız bu.
Okay. Menin adım.
Menin adım Bubu.
Yes.
Menin
Oh, senin adın Bubu.
Menin adım. Menin adım Majid. Now you have to say मेरा नाम बुबू है.
मेरा नाम बुबू है.
Oh my God, her expressions are also very cute.
I love the songs. Actually, I love Pakistani songs more. Like a Coke Studio student.
you know Coke Studio also?
Yeah, I love it.
Any song do you remember?
Tera Wa Pyar, I guess. I was like the one that pops up in my mind.
God.
And Atif Aslam Khan. Fawad Khan, the hottest guy. Like, I mean, but
You know Fawad Khan also.
come on, like I love all these things. Like, come on, guys, it's like how not to know? Like one of the biggest countries. Like there's so much.
Oh, that's so beautiful. These people also who are watching. Pakistanis are definitely very handsome people.
Yeah.
And Kyrgyz women and overall, yeah.
All the people,
All the people are very
like,
beautiful.
Oh, in our difference, we are so beautiful. Like,
So Bubu, like, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan? The first thing.
nuclear weapons.
Nuclear weapons.
Apart from that, Imran Khan.
Imran, you.
Cricket.
Oh my God.
There are so many things, but like because Imran Khan, then he became like a president.
How you know so much about Pakistan? You know, like Atif Aslam and Fawad Khan. How do you know them?
So like actually when I came to Korea, as I told you, I wasn't very religious. So I learned religion through people, and the first person who was actually really teaching me about Islam was a Pakistani person. He's a very close friend of mine, and
And mashallah, like, the good thing is like a Pakistani guy, taught her or taught her about some teachings of Islam, and that's mashallah, that's very good thing. Have you tried Pakistani food?
Amazing. I love like chicken karai and I love biryani. Chicken biryani is like the most amazing thing actually. I'm like very picky with food, but you're like I love your food. I really do.
I'm sure you were Pakistani in your past life or something.
Sometimes I think like, oh, maybe like I have some.
But mashallah, it's so good to know. Like, you know, before, like we are meeting like after a long time, and I didn't know she know a lot about Pakistan.
Yeah.
To be honest, I didn't know like you know a lot. And I was thinking like when I'm gonna interview her, it's gonna be, you know, like I don't know, it's gonna be boring. Like she doesn't know anything about Pakistan, but it's quite fun. Like she knows a lot. So guys, like if you're watching this video, the Bubu ke liye, you know, do give a thumbs up. तो वीडियो को लाइक करो definitely. Bubu like say, you know, like love messages for Bubu her, because yeah, she loves Pakistan so much and she wants to go to Pakistan. Do you know what's the capital of Pakistan?
Islamabad.
Any other city in Pakistan?
Lahore, Karachi. I know about Baltistan. I know like the northern Kashmir also is there. There's so many.
Do you know which part of the Pakistan I'm from? Try to make
Are you Pashto?
No, I'm not.
You're Punjabi.
I'm Punjabi.
Well, it's like so broad and so hard. Like
It's a very big city in Punjab.
very big. Oh wait. I always mix like Lahore and Karachi. Like you kind of have Karachi.
Lahore.
Lahore.
I'm from Lahore.
Oh right, Lahore is the most
Is it?
crowded. Right? Yeah. Yeah.
You're Lahore ka bhi, she knows about Lahore and she knows about Karachi also. So if you want to go to, if you have to go to Pakistan, or like someday
Yeah.
if you know go to Pakistan, what is the first city that you would really want to go, that you must want to go?
I really want to go to Islamabad, but the first thing I want to place I want to go, I want to go to northern area. Like I want to visit Kashmir.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
Kashmir also, yes,
And also like the like Kyrgyzstan, like also like the mountainous area.
Yeah, mashallah guys. So if you are from these, you know, in Sharon, so if you guys are from these cities, so definitely yaar comment karo, like karo. Or mashallah, you know, like myself, like I've lived in Pakistan for a long time, but still myself, I have never been to, you know, those Kyrgyzstan, and it's my dream. I should go there, you know, Kashmir and
we
those
can go
countries.
together one day,
Yeah,
right?
inshallah, like one day. Definitely. You're always welcome to visit Pakistan. So in Korea right now, do you have lots of Pakistani friends?
I used to have, but they all are gone because like I'm for 7 years, so like many of my friends they left the country. So
They left,
I-
but
I-
Bubu
right
is
now
still
I
in
don't have
Korea.
Any Pakistani friend in Korea, exactly besides you, and then Sharuna.
Sharon, alright.
Yeah.
Another famous YouTuber, Sharona.
Yeah.
Overall, mashallah, she is very beautiful. So, Bubu, would you ever like to date a Pakistani guy or not?
As I told you before, like there is no nationality, that like our ethnicity. So if a person is good, yeah.
So, if
why
a
not?
Pakistani person is
Yeah,
good,
but the thing that I want to really send to the use of like all Pakistan and like all these like brown area guys and like black area, why you try, like please, you're so beautiful, your skin is so beautiful, like everyone comes and say like, oh, you're so white, and they like my skin, but I love brown skin, it's so beautiful. And all the women that I see, like why they like use this whitening creams or like bleaching, whatever. Guys, you're so beautiful. I swear, like
in
seriously.
Pakistan, you know, so many
Yeah.
girls and especially boys also, they
Exactly.
use so many creams.
Exactly. Do not be manipulated by the media. You're beautiful like that. They just want to make money on you guys. You're just amazing. And one of the most like beautiful people are from there. Why?
So, you know, like you might have met Pakistani people also
Yeah.
here also, right? Yeah, you were saying you had this. So overall, you know, mostly I met so many Koreans and other big foreigner friends, and they say like Pakistanis are very hospitable. Did you feel the same thing about
Yeah.
your friends?
Because as I told you, my friend was like from neighboring university. So when I had like my period of exam and stuff, like he would cook and call and all his friends was like, let's eat something, because we are Muslims, we don't know, like we don't have halal meat, we are like struggling to eat. So he would cook and we would eat together, and this like tea, oh my god,
You know Pakistani tea?
Oh yeah, like I learned like through that friend, it was amazing, and I know how to make one.
You know how
They
to
say,
make one also.
they say like I make a good one, so.
So let's see when Bubu will invite us, make a Pakistani tea, and then we're gonna go and have a tea
Oh,
with
okay.
Bubu.
Okay.
Yeah, next video is gonna be like tea
Oh,
with
tea
Bubu.
with-
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
That's amazing title,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
So Bubu, like any message for all the Pakistani people who are watching this video, for Pakistani people especially?
For
Any
Pakistan
message,
people,
yeah.
I just don't know. I think you guys have a very great potential. Like although your country is struggling like with like all the issues there, but I think we should not lose hope and like keep on educating yourself. Like you are one of the most educated people that I know, and I'm like really proud that you are like you are just like, it's amazing how you could develop a country this way, despite all the odds. So I'm very proud of you guys. I want you to feel proud about yourself as well.
Thank you so much, Bubu. Thanks so much. So guys, like, आप लोग भी बताओ. Let me know, guys, what do you think about Kyrgyzstan also? So you know these countries in Central Asian countries, you know, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, the countries who got separated from Russia, जो कि रशिया से सेपरेट हुए थे. तो आप लोग भी बताओगे, like she knows a lot about us, like you know, from about Pakistan and about Muslims also. So you guys also let me know what you think about these countries also. So Bubu, like thank you so much for giving me your time. It was like so fun, you know, interviewing you, and mashallah, I'm feeling so proud also being a Pakistani and being your friend also. I'm really, I'm feeling so proud. And you know, overall, how to say like bye bye in your language? How you would say? Salamata. Salamata. Salamata kalınız guys. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. So
मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.
मेरे guys मेरे channel को.
मेरे
मेरे channel को, you know.